What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all see today, we getting that outside footage for y'all. I told y'all I'm gonna get it for y'all. We getting that outside footage. I want to get it for myself too, cause I want to see what she look like strolling on the slicks. So I'm back at it again, man. Wife just got finished working out. They want breathing hard, man. Literally just got finished working out, but we cooking out over here today, having family over, and then we're gonna get everybody on the Oculus. It's gonna be an Oculus day, man. So wifey should have a lit little vlog coming, cause it's gonna be an Oculus day. We having everybody over here to play the Oculus. So it's gonna be a cookout, and we're gonna celebrate my mother-in-law birthday coming up. So it's gonna be a dual purpose thing. So I'm about to take these bad boys off again for y'all. Yes, again, I'm taking them off. Hey man, I don't hear nothing about, hey, why you take these out? It's my job, man. This is what I do. I give y'all content, and this is what you do when you reach a goal, man. You trying to test, and you got stuff to achieve, and you want to see, you just do it. Just get the job done. So, like I said, I normally do about 11, 12 minutes by myself. So wifey gonna help me. So I'm thinking we probably doing about 8 or 9 minutes. That's what I'm thinking, but we gonna see. So I'm finna let this charge. I'm gonna turn up. I'm gonna get check back in with y'all on the phone though. I'm gonna let this battery get a little charge on the big camera. So y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all. I'm on the phone right quick, man. About to these things switched over again. Gonna be my pit crew.
Sure.
Bring the back tires in. Get the pit crew, man. We're gonna do it. Might get done in 8 minutes instead of 10. So I'm finna time it. I'm gonna see how long it takes. I'm finna look at the time when I cut this, and we're gonna see how long it takes soon as I put this jack on the pumpkin. All right, y'all, 6 minutes in so far. We rolling. All right, y'all. Whew, I'm breathing hard. 8 minutes exactly. I called it on the head. We got it done at 8 minutes. Boy, I was rolling, boy. I said I should have recorded that. That's what I was trying to get done. I got these things switched over in 8 minutes. Wifey brought them and put them where they need to be. I roll. So I hit the nail on the head, boy. I told y'all, boy, NASCAR crew switched some tires over 8 minutes. So I'm finna add them up right quick. Then we're gonna get y'all that outside footage. All right, y'all. So look, before we take off, I gotta do my donkey of the day, man. I told y'all I was supposed to have started doing it last year, but I ain't do it. So before we even take off, I got to do my donkey of the day. So I'm gonna put the comments up on the screen right now. So y'all see these comments? Y'all see these comments? Now, we ain't had no character come through the BCG family in a long time, but we got one. He got 5 strikes. He out. He out, man. Listen, y'all. Don't be this guy, man. Listen. We're gonna be my donkey of the day and my real talk. Don't be this guy, man. Listen, he don't know what the hell he talking about. And y'all know these the people that got something wrong with them internally, man. Like when you got to comment on another man or woman, or you feel the need to voice your thoughts, which like I said, me and my wife and my brothers, we done had conversations on this. The difference between the internet and real life. In real life, let's say you go in the store, right? And I'm dressed like I'm dressed, and I got on some beat up clothes. I just got out of work. Somebody might glance at you and be like, man, he got on some beat up clothes, but they just keep walking. That's all. It's a thought. Sometimes them same people, they'll go home and see that same thing on the internet, and they'll type their thoughts out, but they wouldn't say it in real life. They'll type their thoughts out. So 9 times out of 10, people on the internet, they're doing that, they some characters. So if somebody doing you like that, they comment on your stat, they some characters, man. Like this guy here, he a character. And definitely don't know what the hell he talking about. So, and like y'all, it like he tried to speak for all of y'all. That what tripped me out. Ain't nobody else said, hey man, I'm tired of seeing R&B. And y'all know how I do, the real BCG. When we on the car, what we do, y'all? It be a series of videos on that car. We just change something. We change something on Dolo tomorrow, what gonna happen? It's gonna be a slew of Dolo video. We change something on John John, what gonna happen? Slew of John John video. Have any of y'all ever complained? Nah. Except their character. So he's the donkey of the day. So he is the donkey of the day, man. Man, listen. I don't understand people in the internet. When a person do stuff like that, man, they got something psychologically wrong, man. I'm telling you, when somebody come to somebody's channel and they know they don't fool with them and this and that, something wrong with that person, man. I'm telling you, something. I guarantee if they go get seen about, they'll get diagnosed with something, some kind of medical or mental thing. I guarantee they'll get diagnosed. I promise you. People that do stuff like that on the internet, you got a problem. You got a problem, buddy. Come on, man. Come on, my guy. You ain't gonna do nothing. You ain't doing nothing but giving me engagement. Like, what the hell is you doing? Matter of fact, hold on. Let me get wife out here. I need her assistance with something. I need wifey assistance. Let me get her. I need your assistance for this donkey of the day. I need her assistance. I could have got my mother-in-law too. She be down with it too. Whole family down, man. Man, I need her assistance or something, man. So what I'm gonna do? You know, we're gonna go out this way. Yeah, we're gonna go out this way. I need some open field. I got to look for where I'm gonna go. I think out there clear. I'm gonna kick it clean over the truck. So here, I need you to hold this. Cause I need your assistance. Oh, turn the screen around. I'm sorry.
Alright.
Is it it kind of shaded, ain't it?
No, it ain't shaded.
Can they see my whole body?
Yeah.
All right, so look, I'm gonna put that comment right here. You think this is a good spot, or should I need to put it low on?
Yeah.
I need to put it about right
lower.
here.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put that comment right here, y'all. Y'all see it? All right, it right there. Y'all see it? Y'all see this Joker comment? I'm gonna tell y'all what I think about the comment. You still see it? Still right there, ain't it?
Uh-huh.
That's what I think about his comment. Get the hell up out of here. Clown. All right, now we done. Now they're gonna make the shakedown. All right, so now we got that out the way. Characters, boy, I tell you. Anyway, I got the tire aired up. I ain't put that on camera. I'm gonna crank this thing, let it. I was gonna let it get some heat in it, but I just think about it. I'm not, cause then the blue will get hot. It'll be warm by the time we get to Mexico. So I gotta take the little drive anyway. And I'm gonna get a reel too, man. I'm gonna get a reel from behind the lunch. I might put it in this vlog too, but it's gonna be straight up and down in portrait mode so y'all can see. But if not, go follow my Instagram, man, my TikTok too. I'll be putting all type of stuff up. And my Facebook page, the JMalcom 2004 Rides Facebook page, man. Y'all go follow that too. I'll be putting different stuff up. Shorter form stuff, just different stuff. So yeah, man, we finna make it happen, man. Finally get to see that outside view. All right, y'all. Made it to Mexico. Let's see what it do. Turn around, wait on wifey, and check back in with y'all. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so we made it back. Y'all seen that bad boy? That thing was moving. She was moving, boy. I can't lie, boy. She was strolling. But I done put the wheel back on already, man. Like I said, it took. Since I did it by myself, it took the normal like 10, 11 minutes. It like take like 2-3 minutes extra, which ain't bad. But I got them back on. So, and she do look clean, man. Cause when I went to the track the other day, I had 3 people ask me, is the car painted? and it's all people that done saw the car in person before. I had 3 people ask, did I get the car painted or repainted? And I'm like, it do. I see what they saying, even on camera. Cause I wiped it down. Remember, I had wiped it down, y'all, with the waterly car wash. Cause normally when people see it, it actually be dirty. It don't look bad, and it still don't look bad when it's dirty cause it blue. But when people usually see it, it technically be dirty. It don't be filthy, but it be dirty though. Like it need to be wiped down. So when I wipe that thing down, the rims and everything, man, people ask me if I got it painted. And I see it on camera now. It do look like it. But I'm calling J Hall this week and see if I can get her on in there. Cause I'm about to get on I got some brown coat content coming for y'all, cause we're going to see Showtime this week. So I'm gonna let her sit J Hall. If I get it to him at the beginning of the week, man, he'll probably be done by the end of the week fixing that little beauty mark. So I'm finna go and call my boy today and see if I can get in there, man. He been kicking out some sick work too. He done kicked out some bangers, boy. I'm talking about he painted a Cadillac, man. That thing so nasty. He painted a lac, then he just dropped the Monte Carlo. It said somebody just got painted, man. That thing. J Hall Automotive been kicking out some bangers, man. I'm telling you. He been kicking out some heat, but I'm actually finna live stream for y'all. So y'all should have seen that live stream. Wifey gonna drive the car. We're gonna hop in R&B since it's pretty Sunday and go to the grocery store. And she gonna be filming that for her vlog. So y'all make sure y'all slide on over there to Days with Kendra and check that out. But I'm gonna turn y'all back on in a minute. No, man.
I'm thinking
look,
I was in the
we getting ready to go.
Carlo,
I gotta put this on the vlog. We getting ready to go. Show them what you just did.
Yeah, I did like this, y'all. I was getting ready to put this first bird.
She's something else, man. I said, what is you doing?
But you know, sometimes you get in other cars. So
Now somebody gonna say something about it. Well, you don't take the color shift off. They ain't gonna say. Somebody gonna say take the color shift. Man, ain't taking it off, man. I'm gonna keep it on, y'all. They just tripped me out. I missed that moment, man. Goodness gracious, we missed that one. Hey, don't. Man, I'm gonna coach her, man. I'm gonna turn y'all back on.
Yeah, no.
Checking in, y'all. Y'all see we made it back, man. Went to the store. Wifey pushed R&B. And now I got the grill fired up. We got the grill fired up, man. It's a good Sunday. This is a good Sunday, man. Father-in-law got the other grill going back there in the back. Got the barrel grill going. We got I got this one going. Finna do the burgers and hot dogs and sausages on this one. He went ahead and started on the heavier stuff, the chicken and ribs and stuff. Cause you know I was shooting video, had stuff to do. So we tag teaming this stuff today, like we always do, really. And shoot, man, I'm finna fire the grill up, finna enjoying the day. So all in all, like I said, good day. It's a good day, man. Y'all seen it shakedown. R&B was rolling. She rolling pretty good, man. She rolling pretty good. If y'all didn't see my live stream, man, y'all got to see my live stream. See what happened. See what happened during my live stream. And y'all got to check out wifey video. It's in her vlog too. Her new video. It was just an unexpected moment. I'm just gonna say that, man. If you saw it, you saw it. But if you didn't, hey, man, you missed out. But yeah, like I said, all in all, good day. The day ain't over with. Shoot, I might shoot another one. I don't know. I'm just playing. I probably won't. I probably won't. Wifey probably will. Cause I know it's finna be some funny stuff. I'm probably ain't gonna be shooting another one, man. I'm probably finna put this thing up. But I'm definitely shooting y'all a good one tomorrow, boy. I got a plan. Tomorrow. I definitely got a plan tomorrow. But yeah, man, I'm probably gonna put this thing up in a minute. I should have left them things on. I should have left the slicks on, man, cause we got family coming over. I could have took some people on some ride reaction, man. I wasn't thinking. Maybe next time. I can take them on the wheels. It move on the wheel too, but maybe next time, man. Maybe next time. But said, all in all, good day. I appreciate everybody that tune in every day. BCG Hangout. I got some video coming for y'all. Y'all see the character said I be capping or whatever he said about the Hangout. He said I don't do exclusive stuff. Y'all seen what we did? That comment though. His comment still out there. It's still out there going, man. We gave him the boot like this right here. That's what we did right there. Look at my stance. You gotta have that strong stand. That we did right there. I kicked him with these dirty Air Force Ones. He ain't got no paper. He ain't got no paper. Wife is laughing. Hey, I be having a good time, man. They be entertaining me for real though. They really, I promise to God, they be entertaining me, y'all. I promise. I put it on my mama. She dead and gone. I ain't putting nothing on my mama. They be entertaining me. Knowing I'm finna have a good time with them. Like I told him, I said, you next. I said, you next, buddy. He ain't know what I was talking about. Hey, I hope he keep going so I can keep going on. I have some more fun with him. I have some more fun with your partner. But anyway, I digress. But on a serious note, yeah, we got some good stuff coming, man. I'm finna hit the dyno soon. And y'all, I think I'm gonna pay Cuzzo a visit. I'm gonna pay Cuzzo a surprise visit, man. See what he got going on. Somebody asked about him the other day, like, is he alright? Yeah, he good, man. Cuzzo good. He just he just handling business, but he good though. He doing real good, y'all. Oh, y'all seeing me fight with this rat? You see? There we go. Yeah, now Cuzzo good though. He doing great. You know, handling business, man. You gotta handle business in life and stuff too. So that's what he doing and all of that. What he handling, I can't tell y'all all that, but he handling business, man. Everybody good. Aunt good. Y'all seen Aunt vlog not long ago. Everybody good. Rick good. I'm trying to think who else y'all ain't seen. We be talking, but I know y'all don't see them. If y'all don't see them, y'all just like to know how they doing and everything. But I guess I need to start. I need to start at least FaceTime. If y'all ain't seen them in a long time, they got something going on. If I ain't pull up on them, I at least FaceTime so y'all can see. They ain't everybody good. They're real y'all though. They be checking on the fam and all that. But everybody good. Everybody y'all seen in my vlogs before, everybody doing good. I can't say that. So yeah, all in all, that's it, man. I appreciate y'all that tune in with me every day. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG, we out.